Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you SupportDesk support ticket management system. This is our panel. You can see it's a ticket ID search bar, ticket setting, staff, and then profile setup. You can see support ticket. This is your name field, email address field, then department, subject, then your message text, then submit, and your support ticket. You can see tickets. All ticket you can view, open and delete also. In settings you can customize, and staff you can add new staff, it also customize your profile, your mail address, and change your password. If you need it, check the link in the description. For the installing help, contact us.